In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order in bulk from Shein. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you already have an account, it helps to be logged in so your saved addresses and payment methods are ready to go. This keeps checkout smooth, especially when you're buying multiple items or higher quantities. Next, find the product you want. You can search by name using the search bar at the top or browse through categories and filters like size, color, price, and ratings. For bulk orders, it's especially important to check the size chart, read recent reviews, and look at customer photos to confirm the fit and quality. Also glance at the stock status and estimated shipping window shown on the product page, since availability and delivery times can vary by color or size. When you've found what you need, tap Add to Cart. Before you add, choose the correct size, color, and any other options shown. If you're ordering in bulk, use the quantity selector to set the number of units you want. Some items may have a maximum per order limit, so adjust accordingly. Keep in mind that adding an item to your cart doesn't reserve it, so it's best to proceed once you know your selections. Now head to your cart by tapping the cart icon. Here, review everything at a glance. Double check sizes, colors, and quantities. If you see different estimated delivery dates across items, that's normal. It just reflects where the items ship from. You can still receive everything under one order, but it may arrive in multiple packages. Select multiple items in your cart by tapping the check marks next to them, or use the Select All option if you want everything. This is useful when you're ordering a mix of styles but want to check out in one go. You can also adjust quantities directly in the cart, remove anything you don't need, or leave items unselected to save for later. Finally, tap Checkout. You'll see an order summary where you can confirm your shipping address, choose a delivery method, and pick your payment option. Review the final total, including shipping and taxes, and look for any optional add-ons you may want to toggle off or on. When everything looks good, place your order. You'll receive a confirmation in the app and by email, and you can track each package under your orders section. That's it. Simple, efficient, and perfect for stocking up in just a few taps.